Love this outfit now that my hair is done. I feel like a little Barbie doll, you know? Good morning, y'all. Today is January 31st. It is my birthday. I'm 28 years old today. And all I can say is thank you, Jesus, for letting me see today, because if only y'all knew. But I'm just so grateful to be 28 today, to be celebrating my birthday. I'm not gonna lie, I had a lot of anxiety about today, but I prayed about it and I'm in like a much better space. Today is gonna be a super chill day for me, but I did want to vlog with y'all. I'm gonna just do like a vlog of my birthday weekend. So we'll do today, and then this weekend I'm doing some things, so y'all be able to see that. But yeah, I'm not doing nothing too crazy today. I gotta put my personals back on. But I'm not doing anything too crazy today. I'm gonna go run errands and go get all my little birthday freebies. I'm gonna make sure I put on like a cute little fit until later. Then I'm going to dinner with my mom and them, and then this weekend we'll have some fun. But yeah, I just wanted to get up here and just show my face. I'm about to get dressed, and then we'll head out to go see what freebies we can get, go to the mall, go do adult things, like go get my tag and stuff, and then we'll go to dinner later. So I'll see y'all then. Okay, y'all, so I'm back home. I went to go run my errands. I went to the mall to go pick up these jeans from Abercrombie that I'm sending right back because they still don't fit. I got to figure out my sizing for the curvy leg jeans. I went to go get a new tag. I went to Shake Shack and went in Urban Outfitters, and I was at the mall. That was my day. I also went to the post office. I don't know if I filmed that or not, because I had to drop off a package for one of my TikTok followers. She wanted a giveaway, and I went to return some stuff. But yeah, I didn't do much today. But we're about to go to dinner in maybe a few hours. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready now, because every time, even when I get ready an hour early, we're still late. So I'm gonna try to get ready now. We're going to Lake Colonial for dinner. I'm super excited about that because I've been wanting to go there. So that's where we're going for dinner tonight. And also I want to take pictures. And I want to film a video, of course. So I need to do that. Also, I don't know what I'm wearing. So I do have on this Hanifa core two-piece set, but I don't like it. Not that I don't like the outfit, I don't like it for today's occasion. It's giving me more Sunday brunch. Even though it's just me, my mom, and my sister going to dinner, I'm not feeling 28 in this. I don't know. I pushed my hair stuff back just so I could figure out different looks I want to do. I don't know. I think it'll look cuter with like a up look. Also, I got to put my press-ons on. They fell off, child. Yeah, so I need to hurry up and figure out what I'm wearing so I can do my makeup. Okay, y'all, here's the look now. With the shoes, the hair, and it's giving now. Okay, right now I'm trying to find a necklace so I can hurry up and fit these press-ons on, and then I'm gonna wait for my mom to come pick me up so we can go to dinner. But yeah, I love this outfit now that my hair is done. I feel like a little Barbie doll, you know? And y'all forgive me if the vlog is sucky on my actual birthday. Today, nothing really went as planned. I was supposed to, okay, so my original plan was take myself to breakfast at Barney's. I mean, not breakfast at Barney's. Take myself to Toast, because I still haven't been. And I was like off today, so I was like, let's go. But they're closed on Tuesday. All the brunch places that are, like I've been wanting to go to are closed on Tuesdays. Which is, I mean, most restaurants are like that when they have like crazy, like hours. Well, not crazy hours, but when they're super packed. They mostly are closed on Monday, Tuesday. So I didn't go to Toast. And then I was at home for a long time. Then one of the maintenance men came over to fix my sister's tub. So that made me leave a little bit later. So then I went to the mall, like I said. I went to go get my pants. I was just supposed to do pickup, but I had to go in the store because I couldn't figure the pickup thing out. They said there was like a pickup between Macy's and Maggiano's, but there was nowhere for me to go. So I had to go inside the mall. Then I ended up in Urban Outfitters some kind of way. I didn't get anything, but Shake Shack is next door. So I was like, okay, we'll get a burger from Shake Shack. Because it was like 2 o'clock. I hadn't ate all day. Then I went to the Kroger over there because it just made more sense, because I needed to go to Kroger to do the kiosk thing for my tag. Because, you know, in Georgia, you got to renew your tag. So I had to go to a specific Kroger, and it was a Kroger in the perimeter area versus coming back my way. And I was like, okay, cool. I'll go this way. I'll go to this one because it will be like, you know, on my way home. So I went to that one. And when I first got there, it was like, it asked me for my paper that they send you in the mail. And I was like, oh my God, I forgot it. And then I had called my mom, and she said, you don't need it. So I went back in the store. And then what happened? oh, the machine didn't work. So I was standing there for like 15 minutes pressing the button, and I was like, let me call the people on the customer service. Thankfully, they have a computer where wherever they are, they can control it. So they finally restarted, and I felt so bad because I was on the phone with the people and there was like a long line, and I didn't want the people to think I was on the phone like talking to just a random person. Then finally the machine started working. I was like, thank God. But the girl behind me, she was like, thanks for calling them, because me and her were like the only two people at first when it wasn't working. So I finally did that. And then on my way home, I ended up missing the turn I was supposed to make. But then I was like, I'll just go the long way because I need to go to Starbucks because I got the free Starbies. And I got this big old drink and I need to finish it. And I did not finish it, but I'm about to go to dinner. So I could barely get anything out. So that went to waste. But I drank, majority of it, I did drink it. But I don't know why I got that big old drink. But yeah, but now I'm home. I have an outfit on, my makeup is done, my hair is done. This is like this flexi rod set method I learned on TikTok. The girl's name is Bria. I will tag her in the description box so y'all can go watch. I'll tag her exact video so y'all can know how to do it. I'm a big hair girl, so like I wear my hair straight sometimes, but I got my hair done last Friday and I went to 2 weddings over the weekend, so I had to get a lot of curls. That's the only way it was gonna last until my extra birthday, and I also needed to last me through the weekend. But yeah, the rest of this vlog probably will be a montage because I'm just going to dinner like I said, and tonight I guess I don't think y'all, this is my first time doing this kind of vlog, so I don't think I would close it out unless I feel like coming back and talking. Y'all will see me again on Friday, and I promise y'all we'll get some better footage because we're having girls night Friday, and then Saturday we're going to little alley with a few of my friends. You can only have so many in a party, so it can't be all my friends, but yeah, a few of my friends, we're gonna go to little alley and then we're gonna go out. And I haven't been out in a long time, so not like that, if y'all get what I mean. So this should be interesting, but I love spending time with my friends, so I'm just excited. I'm mostly excited about the girls night because me and my sister bought hella pink stuff. Like when I tell y'all this apartment is, it's already pink, but it's about to be like pink-alicious. Not that ugly, not like this kind of pink on an apartment. This pink is not ugly, but y'all get what I'm saying. To decorate a whole apartment, this color would be a lot. It's more like a blush kind of pink. I feel like my boob tape is coming off. I feel like I'm just talking and ranting right now. But yeah, the apartment is gonna be so cute. I spent like $80 on decorations, well, between the two of us, so it better be cute. And we bought a super duper cute cake. I cannot wait to show y'all what it says. It's so cute, and it's like, you know, a little heart-shaped cake. But yeah, I'm mostly excited about game night because I've been thinking of like some game ideas, and I got some ideas off TikTok, so I'm really excited. And my friends are hilarious, so I'm super excited for that, just to be around like my friends and to talk, laugh. And I don't know, I think I shared this on my last vlog, but like, I don't know, last year I was like in a very secluded, I used to go out and hang out and stuff, but I wasn't like outside. I don't like the term outside, but I just wasn't as like, what's the word I'm looking for? I just wasn't as social as I normally am. I wasn't doing a lot as I normally do. So I'm really excited to kick like my year off like with this little girls night. Like I really am excited. But yeah, let's go to dinner. Hopefully my mom will be in here on time so we can get there. I need to take some flicks because I got to post an Instagram picture. Hopefully I can get my pose right. Okay, I'm ranting at this point. Okay, see y'all later. Okay, y'all, it's now Friday. Literally in the middle of me like decorating for my party, I was like, oh my god, I'm supposed to be vlogging. So it's now Friday. Tonight I'm having girls night, pajama party. So right now my mom, my sister, and I, we are decorating my apartment, and yeah, and tonight is the party. So of course I'm gonna try to vlog that. It might be a lot of montage because we gonna be lit. So yeah, but let's go see what we're doing so far. Here's my mom. So far this is what we have going on, y'all. It's about to, it kind of looks like somebody threw up pink in here, but I told y'all it's about to be super duper pink. Like, it's so cute. We're watching the Proud Family. There goes Dage. Wait. Okay, there goes Dage. Say hey, Dage. Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. I might not pack my bag and don't say. Okay, y'all, my hair's still looking crazy. We just finished decorating.
Today's our last chance.
It's so cute in here, and we're about to get ready to party. Guys, so now I'm dressed. I have on this little two-piece pajama set from Shein. Here's my friend Kayla. There's Daisy with her pajamas. In our apartment, there's my line sister Sarah. In our apartment, it looks stinking cute. Like, so stinking cute.
Mess with rappers, they be bogus. Brother get the pack and keep the hope. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet and keep me rolling, but if we get the op, we gotta slow.
So it's the next day. We had a time last night. It was very fun. Now I'm just chilling. And then later, we're gonna go to dinner and then go out. But yeah, last night was super duper fun. I had a lot of fun. It was super duper cute. Everything turned out like perfect. Super fun. We gotta clean up in here because
bit 2 mean minimum.
It's too. They're being childish right now. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. Just wanted to check in. It's Saturday and today will end the birthday festivities. Hey y'all, so it is like 4 o'clock-ish. But I'm about to get ready for my next birthday dinner. We're going to Little Alley. This will be like my friend's birthday dinner. And then I think, like I said, we're going out. I have my outfit out. I have to do my hair and my makeup. I might try to put some press-ons on, depending on like how much time that I have. But the press-ons probably won't be happening because the dinner is at 6:30, and like I said, it's like 4 something. It's gonna take me an hour to do my makeup. And probably my hair because I'm going to try to wand curl it and I want to take my time. But I do have my outfit out. Let me show y'all. So this is what I'm going to wear. I'm going to wear this little Fashion Nova dress. And let me show y'all the shoes. I just showed these in one of my hauls. Where are the shoes? They're on the floor. Okay. These little shoes from Miss Lola. Like I said, I know my toes are probably going to be crying. But it's okay. If we go out, we got a section. So I can sit down, and we're going to a restaurant, so I can sit down. I probably only will be crying to take pictures and walking around the restaurant and all this stuff. But yeah, they're super cute. I just saw a video. Tamara Renee was doing her like what she wore in December outfit. She had a gold pair, and I don't think she said nothing about them being uncomfortable. So yeah, this will be my little fit. I do not have a chrome bag, so I'll probably be borrowing my sister's again if she lets me. She's mad at me right now. But yeah, I probably will borrow her bag if she lets me, or I'll try to make something shake. But yeah, I think this will be super cute. I low-key want to put my hair in like a little like wavy kind of like ponytail because I think that would look super cute. This dress is like a long dress and it's super fitted. It's going to be so fire. But I think a ponytail will look cute. Or if I do like the wand curls, I probably will not do a half up, half down. I think that might be a little childish. I don't know. But I kind of want to wear, I want like my face, my hair to be on my face, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm about to hurry up, get dressed, get ready, all that good stuff, so we can get up out of here and get to dinner.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming in with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we go.
Hey guys, so it's Thursday. I am almost a week late. I'm just now closing this vlog out. Y'all have to show me some grace because I am like, I'm not used to this, like having to close stuff out or vlogging over a long length of time, if that makes sense. Like I said, I really make a lot of like vlogs, but I make mini vlogs on my TikTok, so it's a little bit different. But yeah, I just wanted to try this out. But yeah, my birthday weekend is over now. It's February. But yeah, I had a really good birthday week. Like I said, the first day, I say like I said a lot. Well, like on my birthday, we went to dinner with my mom, and then I ran errands that day. Then Friday night, me and my sister, we had a girls' night. That was super duper fun. And then Saturday, we went to Little Alley, and only a few of my friends could go because like you only can have like 12 people, I think. So we invited most of our friends who couldn't make it to the girls' night. And then like our guy friend, he came, like he's like a brother to us. He's like a brother to us, so he came that night, and his cousin. And then a few of us had went out. After that, we went to Sweet Lounge. And then Sunday, there's a pizza place here called Little Ozio's. My dad really likes that place. And we've been going there, like, as a family for, like, started last year. We've been going there a lot as a family. So I had asked my dad, could he take all of us there? Because also it's my aunt's birthday and my grandma's birthday's in February too. So I was just like, hey, Dad, take us out to eat. So we had pizza on him, and he took us out to eat. And there's an ice cream place next door called Morelli's, so we went there after too. But yeah, I just wanted to spend time with my family. So that's what we did on Sunday. So that's where that little last clip is from. But yeah, that was my birthday vlog. Thank y'all for spending it with me. Thank you for the wishes. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed it, and we shall see y'all the next time I vlog. And y'all, again, let me know if y'all like these and give me some grace, and over time I'll get better at it. But I'll see y'all next time. Bye. Love y'all.